A car wash depends on multiple systems working in tandem. Failure in any piece of equipment could cause an unexpected shutdown, resulting in lost revenue and unplanned maintenance. But Banner Engineering can help you detect equipment breakdowns before they happen. Maximize vehicle throughput and reduce unexpected downtime with Banner Engineering's predictive maintenance solutions for car washes. To monitor equipment in the back room, use Banner's Q45 all-in-one series sensors, starting with an ultrasonic model that accurately measures the water level in the storage tanks. The vibration and temperature of the delivery pump's motor gets monitored with another peel and stick Q45, and an additional Q45 monitors the water pressure on the main water line. Further down the line, monitor the vibration and temp of all the different distribution pumps' motors, such as at the detergent pump station, sealer stations, and the high-pressure water pump stations. Additionally, monitor the reclaimed storage tanks for low water levels, which may indicate the RO's filter needs cleaning. The reclaimed delivery pump's motor is also outfitted with a temp and vibration sensor to alert users to mechanical maintenance needs. But monitoring solutions don't have to stop at the water system. Nearly any equipment can be monitored, such as the pneumatic air system. Temperature and vibration sensors monitor the air compressor motors alongside a current sensor for consistent power usage, as well as a pressure sensor on the primary air line. Outside, monitor the central vacuum's motor with a temp and vibration sensor. The filter's efficiency can be calculated by comparing the air pressure both upstream and downstream of the separator, indicating when the filter needs cleaning. All the data from each of these sensors is transmitted wirelessly to a DXM controller mounted in a safe and convenient location. Sensor calculations are performed inside the controller, and data can be transmitted to wherever you need it via Ethernet cable or a cellular connection. Additionally, alerts can be sent to workers via email or text message, so mechanical problems can be addressed quickly. But passive monitoring doesn't have to stop there. Back in the tunnel, use a temperature and vibration sensor to track the machine health and performance of the conveyor's motor and gearbox. Additionally, consider using a Q45 to track vibration on the air blowers. Next, add a T30RW radar sensor to the tunnel entrance and exit to reliably detect when vehicles arrive and leave. Further inside the tunnel, accurately detect vehicles at specific locations, such as an application arch with the QS30 photoelectric sensor. And speaking of applicator arches, Banner's extensive line of customizable RGB lights, many of which are programmable and animated, will add an exciting splash of color and movement while also indicating different wash levels, customer-selected sealers, progress indication, and more. The only limit to indicator integration is your imagination. To learn more, visit bannerengineering.com/carwash.